Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Tesla stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure you have a brokerage account that supports trading in Tesla stock. Open your brokerage app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar typically located at the top of the screen. Type in Tesla or its stock symbol, Tesla, and hit enter. Review the search results to find Tesla's stock listing and click on it. This will take you to the Tesla stock page, where you can view its current price, historical performance, and other relevant data. Decide how many shares you want to buy. Make sure to check the current market price for Tesla shares to ensure it fits within your budget. Once you've determined how many shares to purchase, look for the buy button on the stock page. Click the buy button and select the type of order you wish to place. You can choose a market order, which will buy the stock at the current price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. If you choose a limit order, enter your desired price and the number of shares. Next, confirm the details of your order, including the total cost and the number of shares. Once everything looks correct, click the Submit button to place your order. After a brief moment, you should receive a confirmation that your order has been placed successfully. Monitor the status of your order to ensure it is executed. You can track your Tesla stock in your brokerage account and review its performance over time. Consider setting alerts for significant price changes to stay informed. Lastly, remember to review Tesla's financial news and performance updates regularly to make informed decisions about your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.